Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to take a look at Beast Kingdom's Mastercraft Tuxedo Mickey Special Edition Starry Night MC-008SP. This is a beautiful, beautiful figurine, ladies and gentlemen. Her dimensions are, or I should say his dimensions is 368 millimeters wide by 277 millimeters deep by 465 millimeters high. He's a big one, ladies and gentlemen. He's not going to fit in your standard shelf. That's for sure. You're going to have a big shelf for this one. But as you can see, just a beautiful, beautiful rendition of Mickey. It says it's made of polystone. I didn't realize polystone was transparent, kinda. This one, to me, looks like it's more of an acrylic, but well, what do I know? It is 3 pieces. It's the base, the body, and the hand with the hat. The hand with the hat slides in. If you look at it, you can see the little insertion point there. Beautiful addition. We have 893 of 999, ladies and gentlemen. Less than 1,000 made. I will have to say this is probably my favorite Mickey. I just love the way the light shines off of it. You really got to put it in a very lit shelf to get this type of effect. Otherwise it's going to look dark, but it is just a beautiful, beautiful rendition of Mickey. I don't think I've ever seen one better other than maybe solid gold or fine metals, which I don't have. This is probably my best Mickey. I do have one from the 90s that I will show here later on this year or next year. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Mickey Mouse Disney Mastercraft Special Edition MC-008SP. Hug somebody you love. Peace.